Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show you how I'm going to be organizing my makeup. I do have quite a little bit of makeup that I have collected over the past few weeks because, I do coupon and a lot of these things I do get for free or at a very low price. And makeup is one of those things that take us a long time to kind of use up and go through. And so I do have quite a little bit of a collection going on. I don't like to say collection because collection is more like a I guess one of those limited edition kind of things, but it's not a collection. It's just like me hoarding on this makeup, and I do plan to sell some of it at a yard sale that we are going to have, hopefully. If not, it's just makeup that I'm going to either donate to friends or family or use. So yeah, I love makeup. I love testing out new products. And so I enjoy buying these items. So it's something that brings me joy. So the reason why I'm also doing this is because I did buy a new desk, and that is going to be my little work area where I cut my coupons and get my deals ready, where I have my laptop and things like that. It is a little bit bigger from the desk that I was using, which I am using to film this video on. I wanted to use the small desk as my beauty area. I'm gonna have like the makeup that I wear on the daily on this desk, and also I wanted to have my own little filming beauty space where I can record more beauty videos from. And so that's how I set it up. So I'm going to be showing you that. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. I did go to Five and Below. I went to Dollar Tree. And so yeah, I want to show you the items that I got so that I could organize my makeup. So if you want to see how I organize everything, then keep on watching. So I went to Five and Below so that I could look for baskets or any type of organizing things, and I ended up getting a student planner. I already have one that I use and I love it so much, so I got another one, and I was just looking around for things that I could find to put on my makeup desk and help organize. And I love this store so much because they have a lot of cute things and it's really inexpensive. And one of the things that I was looking for was also like a step like to exercise, and as you can see they did have them here, so I did ended up buying one. But the main point of going to Five and Below was to look for like organizing things or things that I can put on my makeup desk. And so they didn't have like any of the clear containers, kind of baskets that I was looking for. So what I ended up doing was going to Dollar Tree, and as you can see they have little baskets, but I ended up going with some plastic containers, as you can see there. I ended up buying those, but I did end up getting this cute light up mirror at Five and Below. It was $5, and they had they had different ones, and so you do need to get batteries for it because it comes without batteries. But I will say that it does light up well, but it's not going to give you a lot of light if that's what you're looking for. But I didn't have like a cute mirror to put on my makeup desk, and so for $5 I thought it was a good deal, so I went ahead and got it. And what I'm doing now is just putting it together, putting the batteries in. As you can see, it does light up pretty good. And it was really easy to assemble, and so yeah, I thought it was really cute for $5. I think I'm gonna get the bigger square one though, because that one is like a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. But overall, for $5, I think it's really cute. And I ended up finding these at the thrift store. These were $1, and so I ended up buying them. Thought it was an awesome deal, so I thought that I could stack my makeup, my eyeshadow palettes, and then that one was also $1, and I thought that I would go ahead and use it for my makeup brushes. And I'll show you at the end of the video my makeup desk and how I organized everything. And at the Dollar Tree, I went ahead and also got hair stuff. I was needing some hair ties, and I ended up finding in this gel polish remover tool. I went ahead and opened it, but I thought it was really cool, and it was only $1. I had already I was talking throughout this video, but I decided to do a voiceover. But I got a whole bunch of like headbands. They had a lot of cute little tie-dye headbands, so I decided to get a couple. I did get some more hair ties because I was completely out. And then I found this makeup cleaning brush thing that you like put on in your fingers and clean your makeup brushes, and I thought it was really cute for $1, and I had seen these at Five and Below, and I believe they were like $3 to $5, and they had them at Dollar Tree for $1. So I went ahead and bought it there, and so thought it was really cute. And then I went ahead and got some just more headbands. I got this purple bandana one. I thought it was really cute. So yeah, they had some other colors too, and some more headbands. It did come with like a pack of 3. I have a black one that I had already used, and then I got some hair clips because I didn't have any, and they're a little bit more expensive at Walmart and Target. Why are they more expensive at Walmart and Target? I don't know, but they had them at Dollar Tree for $1, so I just went ahead and got a pack of those. And then I am going to be showing you the student planner that I got at Five and Below. And I love that student planner because it's like it has these boxes, which I'm about to show you, that I use to like I had used it to do different things. Like I use each box for like to do, to cook, to clean, and so I don't know, I really like it. So I do have this little drawer from my son's room that I brought to my closet. He stopped using it because he had trouble like opening the thing, like it would keep getting stuck. So I decided to get all of my makeup from that crystal or a clear container and put it all in this top drawer, but I really need to organize it. So I opened it all the way, and this is all the makeup that I have collected since couponing. Most of this stuff I bought thinking of like myself, what colors I would use, what colors match, things like that. But I am thinking about like eyeliners and mascaras that I have too much of. I am thinking about putting it in a yard sale. We are going to have a yard sale, like a community yard sale in October. So I think I'm going to be selling some of this stuff. My aunt is going to be bringing a lot of stuff that she wants to sell, and I'm just going to put like a couple of things out. So I'm thinking that I need to organize this drawer, and it looks like a lot, but it's really not a lot. So I got these at Dollar Tree. So I was looking for something where I could like organize, and I already had these. I had these in my bathroom drawer, and I cleaned that out, and so I found these at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna start off with eyeliners and mascaras. I'm gonna be placing them in this little basket that I got at Dollar Tree that fits perfectly inside of these drawers. So I'm gonna start off with that. I'm going to be putting this one in my makeup drawer because this is like a dark blue eyeliner, and I don't have that in my makeup that I have on my desk. So I'm going to put this out and try it. It's like a dark midnight blue. It's really pretty, from Almay, so I'm going to keep that one. Found another blue eyeliner, but this one's more like a lighter blue. I'm still gonna put this one in there. I'm not gonna keep it out. I like the midnight blue better. So this is my mascara and eyeliner basket. I have a lot of black eyeliners, and I have a lot of CoverGirl things because there was a point where I was getting a lot of CoverGirl CRTs. And there's always CoverGirl coupons in the Sunday coupon inserts, so that's why I have a lot of CoverGirls. I would always get these when there was a CoverGirl sale, mainly because these would give you like a money maker deal. But I started thinking, like, if I don't use them, why am I getting them? Even though they are a money maker, I would rather get stuff that I want to try and want to use, even if I have to pay a little bit out of pocket. So I stopped buying these and just started getting like regular eyeliners, such as this one. Yeah, I started doing that for most of the makeup deals. Even though I have to pay a little bit more out of pocket, I would rather get things that I use or things that someone would actually buy. Like these, I'm not sure if someone would actually buy this like at a yard sale, or I could probably sell it for like $1, but not too much, you know. So yeah, I would rather pay just a little bit, like $1 or $2 worth for something. But this is one of my favorite mascaras, by the way. This one and the CoverGirl is in here somewhere, but oh, this one right here, this CoverGirl Big Curl Waterproof has been a favorite of mine. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the drawer and I'm done with this section. Look how perfect it fits in here. They're just the perfect size and to fit in here really well. And I got this drawer at Walmart, I believe Walmart or Ross, a while back ago, and I had it in my son's closet, but he didn't want it, so I just took it over. Next is gonna be face products. I'm gonna be putting foundations and concealers. So these are all the foundations and concealers that I have. I mainly have a lot of Revlon and Maybelline because this Candid Glow is one of my favorite Revlon foundations, and of course the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I have started using this again and I am in love with it. I just love how it lasts all day, and it says it's matte, but it's really not. And I have some concealers. I have this one from CoverGirl. I have actually never used this one before, and look, I think I need to shake it up, and well, that didn't even work. But is this even good? I don't know. I always try to get things that I haven't used before, so that way I can test it out. I love trying out new things, like I mentioned in some of my videos. When it comes to makeup, I like trying new products and things like that. I actually use this concealer a lot. This is what I'm actually using at the moment, and I use a product that I like. I use it until I finish it, and so I actually have this on my makeup desk because that's the one that I'm using. So it's not really a lot, and I haven't used this one, CoverGirl Clean Matte. I usually get Buff Beige. I actually have a review on this foundation on my channel, and I really forgot how well it lasted or how well it worked because it's been a while. But I do know that it's a little bit dark on me because I got the shade, what shade is this? Light Neutral. Yeah, so this is not my shade. And for powders, I do have just these CoverGirl and the Fit Me and Revlon. These are powders that I have used before and that I like, and so I'm glad that I have some that will probably last me a while. I'm going to be using this basket to put all of my baby lips in here because I have a bunch. Those are usually free or like a couple of cents moneymaker from Maybelline. So I have quite a few, so I'm just going to put them in that little makeup drawer. So I have 9 lip balms and I have 1 Revlon Kiss Balm. So these are, like I mentioned, a great moneymaker at times or free products. So I have quite a few. I have 3 that I have opened. I have 1 in my bathroom, 1 in beside my nightstand, and then I have 1 in my purse. And so I might put just a couple of these at the yard sale with a couple of eyeliners and mascaras. I only have 2 eyeshadow quads that are new, so I'm gonna be putting them with my mascara and eyeliner. So this is how I have it set up. I have my mascara, the 2 eyeshadow quads, eyeliners, and my little basket with lip balms fit perfectly in the middle. And then in this basket, I just put 2 makeup wipes that I have. I think I have another one in one of my bathroom drawers that I have not opened yet, so I might put it in here also. And in this top drawer, I have my powders and my foundations. And in the bottom drawer, I just put my gel nail polish and my UV lamp. And then anything extra that I have. I'm going to be placing this makeup brush set that I got last week. And so I'm going to go ahead and put it here and just leave it there in the meantime. Found more makeup wipes that I'm going to be storing. I knew I had some in my drawer. This is a double pack. It fits perfect in here. So this is my work area and I love it so much. I got the desk at Big Lots and it was on sale. It was original price was $100 and I got it on sale for $80. And it's such like a big, nice desk and I love it so much because I have plenty of space to do my work, cut my coupons, and I just love all the space that I have. So if you're looking for a desk, you might want to check out Big Lots because they were having a sale, and so I was able to get it at a very decent price, so I was very happy about that. And then this is my makeup area. So I'm gonna be using the same chair from my other work desks and bring it here since they're right beside each other, as you can see right there. And so I did bring my makeup from, I used to have this in my closet and have all the new makeup that I was collecting here, and so I decided to bring this to this desk right here and just bring my everyday kind of makeup that I use on a weekly basis, everything that I like to use. I have my makeup brushes, and then I have my little palette little area right here. So yeah, I really like this area a lot now. I can film, as you can see I have my little light, and so I'm really excited about new makeup videos and reviews and things like that. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed until the end, don't forget to subscribe down below for future videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.